Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with thin, fragile hair that just won't seem to hold up no matter what, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a close look at the L'Oreal Paris EverPure Thickening Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner Kit, designed to give thin hair the strength and fullness it needs. Before we dive into the review, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews like this one. Now, let's get into it. The L'Oreal Paris EverPure Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner is part of the EverStrong thickening system. It promises to help fortify hair, making it up to 15x stronger while preventing breakage. This system includes not just the shampoo and conditioner, but also a treatment, working together to create visibly thicker hair over time. The shampoo and conditioner are sulfate-free, which is a big plus for anyone with fragile, color-treated or fine hair. Sulfates can strip away moisture and dull color, but this system is designed to gently cleanse without any of the harsh ingredients. The formula is vegan, and you won't find parabens, phthalates, dyes, or gluten here either, so it's got a lot going for it in terms of being clean and considerate for your hair. So how does it feel in real-world use? I've been testing this system for a while now, and I have to say, it really lives up to the claim of adding strength to your strands. The shampoo lathers nicely, providing that luxurious feel without being too heavy. Even though it's sulfate-free, I was impressed with how it left my hair feeling clean and refreshed, not greasy or weighed down. The conditioner is just as pleasant, giving my hair a soft, smooth texture without any heavy residue. Over the course of using the system daily, I noticed my hair felt more resilient, less prone to breakage, which is key for thin, fragile hair like mine. It didn't give me an overnight transformation, but after consistent use, my hair felt more fortified and noticeably stronger. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the gentle formula is great for anyone with color-treated or thin hair. The fact that it's sulfate-free means that it won't strip your hair of its natural oils, which is essential for maintaining healthy hair. The scent is fresh and clean, but not overpowering, so it's pleasant to use without lingering too long after the shower. On the downside, while it definitely strengthens and thickens hair, don't expect a dramatic transformation overnight. It's a gradual process, so you'll need to be patient if you're looking for major volume right away. Additionally, if you're someone with an extremely oily scalp, the conditioner may feel a bit too moisturizing for your needs, and you may prefer to alternate with another product. Now, is this system worth the price? At first glance, the L'Oreal Paris EverPure Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner may seem a bit pricier than your average drugstore shampoo. However, considering the quality of the ingredients, the fact that it's sulfate-free, and how much it improves hair strength, I think it's a solid value. It's definitely a good choice if you're looking for a more gentle option that still packs a punch in the strength department. Let's also talk about product alternatives. If you're not sold on this one, but you like the idea of sulfate-free strengthening shampoo and conditioners, there are some great options out there, like Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, which is similarly hydrating and gentle. It's not exactly the same, but if you're on a tighter budget, it's worth checking out. The build quality here is fantastic. No complaints about the packaging or design. The pump on the shampoo bottle is especially convenient, reducing the mess and making it easy to use in the shower. It's practical, sturdy, and works well for daily use. And while we're on the topic of longevity, this system does a great job of providing long-term strength and resilience to your hair. But it's also one you should continue using to see lasting results. So if you're hoping for dramatic volume after just a few uses, you might be disappointed, but with consistent use, the results really do stack up. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, L'Oreal Paris has always had a solid reputation for being responsive, but I haven't had the chance to interact with them directly. Still, they have a good track record when it comes to handling any issues or concerns. Wrapping this up, the L'Oreal Paris EverPure Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner is a solid investment for anyone looking to fortify thin, fragile hair without the harsh chemicals. It's especially great for color-treated hair or those who need a sulfate-free option. While it may not provide overnight volume, the gradual strengthening effects are real, and the long-term benefits are definitely worth it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.